Today I'm going to show you how to add a Chrome shortcut directly onto your desktop in Windows 10 or 11. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access Google Chrome quickly, right from your desktop. No more searching through menus or the start bar every time you want to browse the web. This simple step can save you a few clicks every day, especially if you rely on Chrome for most of your online tasks. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is find the actual location of the Chrome application file on your computer. Now I know that might sound a little technical, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. All you have to do is open up File Explorer, which is that little folder icon you'll find on your taskbar or in your Start menu. Once you're in File Explorer, you'll need to go to the folder where Chrome is installed. Here's an easy way to get there. Just click in the address bar at the top of your File Explorer window so you can type. Now enter this path exactly. See /program files /Google /Chrome /application. Make sure to type it carefully, or even copy and paste it if you prefer, so you don't get lost in the folders. This is where Windows stores Google Chrome by default, unless you chose a different location when you first installed it, but for almost everyone this is the spot. Once you've arrived in that folder, you'll see several files. Look for the one simply called Chrome. It's the main application file for the browser. What you want to do here is right-click on that Chrome icon. After you right-click, you'll see a menu pop up. From these options, find and select Create Shortcut. Pretty straightforward so far, right? Now the next part can feel a bit surprising, but it's nothing to worry about. When you click Create Shortcut, Windows will quickly show you a prompt or message saying, Windows can't create a shortcut here. Do you want the shortcut to be placed on the desktop instead? This is just Windows' way of making sure you keep the folders tidy and don't accidentally clutter up your program folders with shortcuts. It's actually a helpful little feature. All you have to do here is click Yes. Once you do, Windows will instantly create a shortcut for Google Chrome and drop it right onto your desktop. You might want to pause a moment and check your desktop. You'll see a new Chrome icon appear. If your desktop is crowded, just look for one that says either Chrome or Google Chrome. And there you go. You now have a convenient Chrome shortcut on your desktop. From now on, double-clicking that icon will launch Chrome immediately. It's perfect if you want quick access when you log in, or if you're helping someone set up a new computer and want their favorite browser just one click away. Remember, if you ever want to rename the shortcut or change its position, you can always right-click the icon and select Rename, or drag it to wherever suits you best on the desktop. Don't worry if these steps took a little longer the first time. Once you do it, it's super easy next time. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you hit any snags or have questions, drop them in the comments. I always check and love helping out. And if you want more practical tech tips and tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.